Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn about how climate, weather, and vegetation all work together like a team. Our Earth needs these three systems to stay healthy. By the end of this video, you'll understand what each one means, how they connect, and why they're important to people, animals, and plants. What is weather? Weather is what happens outside every day. It tells us if it's sunny, rainy, windy, or cloudy. Weather can change very fast. It might be sunny this morning and stormy tonight. Weather includes things like temperature, rainfall, wind, and cloud cover. So when we say today is 28 degrees Celsius and sunny, that's the weather. Weather affects how we dress, what we do, and how farmers decide when to plant crops. What is climate? Climate is the average weather of a place over a long time, usually 30 years or more. Think of it like this. Weather is what you wear today. Climate is what's in your wardrobe because of the usual weather where you live. For example, the Western Cape has hot, dry summers and cool, wet winters. KwaZulu-Natal has warm, rainy summers. The Karoo is dry and very hot in summer. Climate decides which plants and animals can live in a place. What is vegetation? Vegetation means all the plants and trees that grow naturally in an area, not what people plant, but what grows on its own because of climate and soil. In wet areas, we see tall and green forest trees. In dry areas, we see short bushes and tough grasses. Vegetation provides food, shelter, and oxygen for living things. It's a part of life's circle. Here is how everything I just explained connects. Climate gives a place its usual pattern of heat and rain. Weather is the day-to-day change in that climate. And vegetation depends on both. Plants grow only where the waterfall and temperature are right. If the climate changes and there's less rain, vegetation also changes. That's why we say climate, weather, and vegetation are interlinked. Before we look at real examples, let's learn a new word. Biome. A biome is a large natural area with its own special climate, plants, and animal. South Africa has several biomes, such as fynbos, savanna, and karoo. Each biome shows how climate and vegetation work together to create a unique environment. The fynbos biome is found in the Western Cape. It has cool, wet winters and hot, dry summers. Because of this, fynbos plants have small, thick leaves to store water and survive heat. Plants like proteas and ericas make the Cape Mountains bright with color. Birds and insects depend on these plants for food. This biome shows how climate decides what plants grow. The savanna biome covers much of Limpopo and Mpumalanga. It has warm temperatures and summer rain. Here we find tall grasses and scattered acacia trees. In the rainy seasons, plants grow fast and feed animals like zebras and elephants. When it's dry, grass turns brown and some trees lose leaves to save water. The savanna teaches us how weather and vegetation responds to climate. The Karoo biome in the Northern Cape is very dry. It gets less than 200 millimeters of rain each year. Because of this, plants have thick stems that store water and tiny leaves to stop water loss. Days are very hot, nights are cold. Farmers keep animals like sheep that survive on little grass. This biome shows how plants, weather, and people adapt to harsh climates. Now let's quickly look at two more biomes in South Africa. The first one is the forest biome. Forests are full with tall trees and create lots of shade. They are very green because they get plenty of rain. Many animals live there, like birds, insects, and monkeys. In South Africa, forests are mainly found along the eastern parts of the country. Next is the grassland biome. It has wide open areas that are covered mainly with long grass. It has cold, dry winters and warm, rainy summers. Many animals like zebras, wildebeest, and birds live there, and it is found in the central parts of South Africa. So let's remember, weather changes every day, climate is the long-term pattern of that weather, vegetation depends on both. Together they form biomes, which make South Africa so special. Before the video ends, pause it so you can discuss the question with your classmates or your friends. That's it for today. I hope you learned a lot. Thank you for watching.